Okay, hey guys, it's Ashley again, and I'm gonna be doing my sister's apartment tour. And I already changed sister's apartments. I was with my other sister in College Station, and I'm with my sister in Dallas. Both of us are here, all of us are here. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. So when you walk into her apartment, it's the kitchen and then the living room, but this is the kitchen. It has those cool little lights. And then when you come to the other side, there's this like storage thing. It's for the laundry. And I think that's like the my Cheeto fingers, like the air con or something. And there's like some bookshelves. And then this is the living room. She has like a chair here. Oh, and she has these little bar stools. And then that's my dog. That's her dog. And there's this little mirror and another mirror. So yeah, she has that. This is how it looks from this side. Okay. And she has this little porch out here. There's a little table here. And then it's really pretty at night. Like those little lights. I don't know if you can see them. They're all on there. They all turn on. Maybe I'll get a clip. Get inside. Okay. And then this is like her roommate's area, so we're not gonna go over there. But this is her room. Okay. I'm like really bad. So you come in, and then she has a nightstand there with a mirror, and then she has her dog's bed. There's like some decoration, and then that's her bed. And she has like a painting. It looks like Frida, but I don't know if it is. And then she has this mirror here. It's pretty big. And then she has some pictures. Her desk. And then her windows. And there's nothing really over there. And then this is her bathroom. She has like jewelry, some products. Oh, that's a picture of us when we're all little. Oh, she has a picture of my mom. This is a picture of, well, like our mom, but we say my mom, when I think she was pregnant with her. This sister is the oldest. I think she's like, I don't know. She's like 23, 20. There's her shower, but I don't want to open it. And then this is her closet. It's freaking huge. Like, I could probably live in here, and I wouldn't mind. She has a Brazil flag because she really likes Brazil. She's already gone 2 times. So that was my sister's apartment tour. So yeah, see you guys in my next video. Bye.